Before you cut your next Bubu Kaftan, watch this. This simple method will save you your fabrics and give you a neater finish. Hi, I'm Lois Addah. Let's get started. We are working with a crepe fabric of 1 yard 15 inches. So after folding into 4, so we had 24.58 inches. That is for the upper part. Okay, so we took the neck width of 4 inches and the back depth 3 inches. We connected it to the neck width, and then we took the front neck depth of 6.5 and connected it to the neck width as well. Next, we are going to take the shoulder slant of 1 inch and then we'll connect it. You can use your straight ruler to connect that part. After connecting, we are going to take the sleeve circumference of 11 inches, including seam allowance. So after marking that, we went inwards by 3 inches and then we drew a straight line all the way down. Then at that armhole area, we made a little curve, and then at that sleeve area, we went inwards by half an inch. So we are done marking. This pattern is just too simple, so it is time for us to cut what we have all out. So after cutting, this is what we have. We have the front and the back panel, and we have the bias that we'll use to turn the neckline. So this is the back panel. We are going to turn it to the right side. Then we are going to place our bias on the neckline, okay, just the way I am demonstrating. That is exactly how we use the bias to sew the neckline and turn it to the back side. So we equally have the neckline for the front. This is the front panel. We'll use the bias again to turn the neckline. After turning, we are going to place right side facing each other. That is the front and the back panel. Okay, place them together. We'll sew the shoulder. After sewing the shoulder, we are going to use the bias to hem the sleeve. Okay, we'll place the bias at the right side and sew it to the back side. We'll bring it and show you. So we are done turning the neckline with the bias for both the front and the back. We've also joined the shoulder. We've also used the bias to turn the sleeve. So next we are going to turn the top to the wrong side, and then we are going to hold the sleeve, and then we are going to sew the sides. Okay, so we are going to hold it very well and then use half an inch to sew it all the way down. We are going to do the same for the other part. After sewing it, we are going to hem the downside of the top with half an inch, and then we'll iron it. Our model will wear it for us to see. If you found this video helpful, please click on the next video on your screen to continue learning. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss simple and profitable sewing tutorials. This is Lois Addah. See you in the next class.